If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Uber Eats, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet to proceed with the reset process. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the Account Settings option in the app. Look for the Account or Settings section to access your security settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Account Settings, find the section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 4. Choose Reset option. Look for an option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. You may need to verify your identity, either through your email or phone number, to proceed with the reset. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. Once you have reset the authentication, follow the prompts to set up a new two-factor authentication method. This may involve linking a new phone number or using an authentication app. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, and you can continue using Uber Eats securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.